Everybody, I want to spend a little bit of time going over question 4.48 in Brown-Lemay-Burston. So feel free to take some time, pause the video, see what you can do to see if you can answer some of these questions. Okay, so determine the oxidation number in sulfur, the oxidation state of sulfur in the following compounds. So for A, we have barium sulfate. Okay, so barium sulfate, oxygen has a charge of 2-. Keep in mind that the 2- charge on oxygen is almost always going to be that. Barium is going to be a 2+ charge, and so now everything has to add up to 0 because barium sulfate is a neutral compound. So let's see here. 2-, there's 4 of them, so that's 8-. Barium is 2+. We want this to add up to 0, so this is going to be a 6+. Now for sulfurous acid is H2SO3. Okay, and again, oxygen has a 2- charge. Hydrogen has a 1+ charge for the most part. So this is oxygen, that's going to be 6- because there's 3 of them. Hydrogen, there's 2 of them, so that's 2+. And now for sulfur, okay, sulfur has a charge. In this case, you want this to add up to 0, so sulfur has a charge of, or a oxidation state of 4+. So now for strontium sulfide, SRS, when it's a binary compound, the charge on the the metal is whatever the charge on the atom would normally be. Okay, and so the oxidation state is what the normal charge would be. Maybe I could say that a little more accurately. And so this is 2+, so that means that sulfur here is 2-. So we've done this where sulfur is 6+, 4+, and 2-. Okay, and now let's go into D. D is H2S, and again, hydrogen is going to have a 1+ charge, and then this is going to be a 2- charge, so this is 2-. Then it says find sulfur on the periodic table, and it says once you do that, it says what regions contain the part of the what regions of the periodic table can there be positives and minuses. So I'm going to draw a rough periodic table here. Okay, so sulfur is like right here. Okay, so the things that can be both positive and minus on the periodic table, if we look, the stair step goes down here, are all of these non-metals, okay, and metalloids. Non-metals and metalloids, okay, that are all above the stair step. So chlorine can be +7, +5, +3, +1, -1. So that's what, and then so that answers those questions there. So that is a review of, or that goes over question 4.48 on Brown-Lemay-Burston, and have a great day.